Okay, here's the deal. My cat ran away a week and a half ago. So I set this trap to try to catch him because he's been hanging out in the woods for some reason. And last night, around midnight, this raccoon got in the trap. It's one thing to buy these traps. They tell you how to set them, but they never tell you what happens when you catch something. Anyway, I tried to release this guy last night, but he was growling like a dog and snapping at me. You see, he takes up the entire cage, so he's a full-size big raccoon. On this particular trap, the door in the back was sealed. I had to clip it and use zip ties to open it and close it. So I'm trying to do is just cut the zip ties so he'll come out. And hopefully I won't get bit. Hopefully he doesn't have rabies. Poor guy's been in there since midnight. Went down to 55 degrees last night. He looks really tired. He's probably scared shit. Not as scared as me. So this is it. I'm going to try to undo the things and hopefully not scare him, and hopefully I won't get bit. Good luck. Well, I managed to get the door open. He's probably really scared. He'll leave when he wants to. I was watching on YouTube how the guys are releasing these guys. And you just give him his own time and he'll come out. He looks really tired. And normally they would come out facing the bush, not out in the open. But I don't want to lift up the cage and turn around and scare him anymore. He's real tired. Hopefully he'll just walk right out. And if you're laughing because I have a motorcycle helmet on, I got boots on, I got my gloves, easy for you to laugh sitting at home watching this shit. These guys look ferocious when they start yelling at you and growling. You can't see him. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. You're free. Go ahead. Go home. He's free. Yeah, look how tired he is. There he goes. He's going to go into the bush. They are cute as hell. Uh-oh. Don't come toward me. There he goes. Nope, no, I gotta clean the cage out. Gotta get a scent out of there. And reset it for the cat. If my cat's still alive, it has been 2 weeks now. So, that's it. Safely got rid of the raccoon. Should have seen him last night at midnight. I went near that cage door not knowing anything about anything. Clipped one zip tie and he jumped and lunged and growled like a dog. Scared the crap out of me. This is only a little raccoon. Look, they tore up all the stuff from the inside. trying to get out. So that worked really well. Wow, look at that. I made a mess of this thing. Tore everything up trying to get out, poor guy. It got so cold I was afraid he was going to die last night. Wow. I don't know how lion trappers do that, or people with big game. I love animals more than anything on earth, but they scare the shit out of me. You never know what they're gonna do. They got teeth and claws and stuff. Well, that's the raccoon rescue from a trap. Hope I don't catch anything else but the cat, if he's still alive. That's it. That's a big rescue. Hope you liked watching the video. Be good to animals, don't eat them. Go vegan. Bye all.